Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am working on a blog hop card. I just finished one, and the two blog hops are, one is for Stampin' Up that's masculine, and the other is the 2018 Kre8tors blog hop, which is water. So I will show you what I finished, which might already be posted because I haven't decided yet. This was the card I just finished and is on the other video. And now I'm going to work on a combination of Waterfront and the Sea of Textures. So I have already made a few pieces. This one is going to be a tropical theme, and I'm going to pick out my colors. I haven't actually decided the colors that I want to use yet. I'm still going with soft colors. So I am going to grab some colors here. I have the hut, so I have the little hut, and I kind of want to make that bright. I think that might be the one bright element, and I haven't decided if I'm going to do one hut or say 3 huts in 3 different colors. So you will see me decide that in real time. So I'm going to give us a little bit of sand. And of all things, Sahara sand. Now we need a little water. Might have to break out my other box of colors. I might go with this. This is Balmy Blue. And I'm going to try it stamped off. Yep, just soft. I didn't want it a real strong color. So we've got the sand, we've got the water. The palms. And now I'm going to keep this aside because I might pick some bright colors. Fun, bright colors for that. And I'm just using crumb cake, a little bit darker than Sahara sand for the palm. And it actually looks almost the same, but that's all right. I'm gonna go with garden green, and I will stamp it off one. I'm still going for that distressed look this time. I'm not done with that. Perfect. Now we have some huts. I gotta put these lids on before they get confused. There. Because you'll note these look identical. I can't tell them apart, so every once in a while I do get them mixed up. Okay, so tropical colors. Thinking 3, so Calypso Coral. I like that with my colors. So I will use these 3 colors for the hut. Now I'm looking for my chamois, because I will need to clean this off each time. And I'm letting them be light and distressed, not putting a ton of ink Not using the Stamparatus to make sure there's a lot of ink because I want it to look aged. Pacific Point, I might even stamp off first, because I don't want it to be so much brighter than the other colors. All right. Oh, and then clean it. And we do a pair of pizzazz. Alright, so there's my very simple tropical. I have room for a sun. So I am going to put the lids on all these again. I am going to grab a color for the sun. I'm going to pick So Saffron. That is stamped off pretty light, so I'm going to go ahead and re-ink it. And I want it to be off the edge. Ah, perfect. Exactly what I was after. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other pieces. This is definitely going to be popped up. Don't envision this being popped up quite as high as the other card was. So I have this torn piece. It's a piece left over from the other card, and then I tore the edges. It has the subtle texture on it. I haven't even decided which direction I want it to be. And I have to decide what kind of sentiment I'm after. I'm also going to, for sure, be adding, and I'll do that right now, netting behind everything in Sahara Sand. I'm kind of liking that diagonal look. So for now, it's going to look something like that. I do have a distressed little sand dollar. And the only other piece I have left over from before is this that I don't think quite goes, so I'm not going to use that. I do have the other part of the sand dollar, the inside. And I can see that perhaps over here. Offset above that, and then all I have to do is figure out a sentiment. So I'm going to go away and contemplate that, because I did not get that far in my planning. And I also will figure out if I want the paper to be popped up as well. And then there might be one other element. I'm thinking it needs linen thread. I don't want to do the copper again, so I'll probably do something with linen thread, but I'm not sure yet, and when I come back, I will let you know. Alright, I'm back. I'm sorry I got so excited with my design that I forgot to put the camera back on. So here's what I think I'm going to end up with. I want to keep it fairly simple. I stamped the word friend stamped off to match the tone of the rest of the card. I wrapped the linen thread. I've attached the the starfish and the sand dollar. I kind of want him to be halfway off. And then on the back here I have some dimensionals, and then I am done. Both cards for the 2 hops, which is great. Oops, he did not stick, so I will put him back on in an appropriate spot. I wanted everything popped up. That's totally loose, so I will add one more. Sneak that underneath. I have to decide how I want that one to be. I might just have it like that, so I need another dot, which is over here. All right, card number 2. And we will put them side by side, just for fun. There are my 2 hop cards. I still, again, haven't decided which is going to be. I have the feeling this will be masculine, this will be water. Why? Because the word is water for the hop, and it actually has water. That's the only reason why I would pick this one for water over the other. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.